400.
Nothing on that beat.
She bad, 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 she bad. Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag, Gucci bag, Gucci bag, Birkin bag. She in a bag, she drip, she swag, never mad, she glad. Louis bag, she in a bag.
Look, mama needs some meal money.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to check me out. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really love for you to be a part of our fam. I want to give a quick celebration. We have hit 1,000 subscribers. Hallelujah. We have finally hit 1,000 subscribers. I think we hit it right after I posted my last video, and I have been gone for a little minute, which I do have a video coming up on the reasons why I have been gone. But yes, we have hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being a part of my family, and I hope that I can bring so much more content for you all to enjoy. Today I'm actually doing an initial review on this hair that I have installed in my hair. So this video is actually sponsored by Allie Grace Hair. They did send me these bundles or whatever. I do have in the Brazilian loose wave, so it was not the body wave. It did have more of a kind of tighter texture. Is that kind of how you want to? Yes, so it came in the inches 22, 24, and 2 26s, and I also have an 18-inch frontal. I did, of course, color this hair, which on camera you cannot really see the true color of it. It does look a little bit darker on camera than it does in person, but I did dye this, and I can go ahead and put a couple of clips right here so that you all can kind of see the process in which I dyed it. I did use the L'Oreal High Color boxes in the shades magenta and red, a little bit of the red, and so I mixed those together with the 40 volume developer, and that is how I got this color. I didn't do anything crazy. I let it sit on the hair for about maybe 45 minutes, and I went ahead and washed it out and deep conditioned it overnight, and this is kind of how it came out. This is not, it's not in its regular state. Of course, I did put some wand curls in it, but yeah, this is kind of how the hair looks. Just a couple of pros and cons about this hair so far. I have only had this hair in for about 3 days now, so I can kind of give you my input and insight on how this hair has been. This is constructed into a wig, so I did make it into a wig. I did, in the back, I double wefted the back of it, and then up towards the top, I actually single wefted and just cut it. And I wanted to say that I don't have any really shedding at all, even though I did cut my wefts, which I was expecting to have a little bit of shedding, but I don't have any major shedding at all, either from the frontal or the hair. Not a lot of shedding, very minimal, so I'm really appreciative of that. The hair was definitely true to length, and actually I feel like it was a little bit longer because it's similar to the 28-inch that I had in the Eunice hair that I did a video on before this. So it's kind of similar to that length, so it may be even a little bit longer, which I'm not mad at. It does definitely hold a curl. Like I said, I put these curls in 3-4 days ago, and I did brush them out, so that's why they look a little bit looser, but for the most part it does hold a curl. So before I had brushed it out, which was just this morning, it was still the same tight curl that was from the wand curls that the wand curler that I used. So the curls are able to stay in the hair. I don't have any pet peeves or any cons about this hair whatsoever. Like, so far it is good, and I'm not just saying this because this hair was sent to me. Y'all know in previous videos I have told the truth, and I'm not going to sit here and lie to you all saying this hair isn't good. So far the hair is really good. It took the color really well. It's able to curl really well. It feels really soft. It doesn't really get tangled. The only time it gets tangled is like in the nape area, but that's pretty common while wearing like hair and wigs. It'll get a little bit tangly, just a little bit right here. So it's a little sniggle snaggle right there. But once you brush it out, it's perfectly fine. It doesn't happen often, which I'm very grateful for. So yeah, I don't have any bad things about this hair at all. If you want to check out this hair, and if you also want a little bit of a discount from this hair, make sure to check the description box down below, and you'll be able to see the link to the exact hair that I got. You may also get a little treat or two with it as well. So definitely check that out down below, and with any other specs from this hair. I will come back with my month review to see how this hair holds up for a month. I do plan on wearing it every single day for the next month, so I'm not going to take it off, put it back on. I am going to wear it every single day to give you all a true review on how it holds up for a whole month. So it's going to go through BeautyCon with me. It's going to go through me going home to see my parents. It's going to go through a lot, so I'll be able to give you all a true review when that comes up. But yeah, I don't really have anything else to say on this hair. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment box below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it if you go ahead and thumbs up this video. And I will definitely see you all in my next video. Also, if you want to see how I got this eye look, which I did do this eye look on my Facebook Live. I just got off of Facebook Live. But if you want me to recreate it on my channel, definitely let me know. I do a lot of very creative looks via Facebook Live. I'm sure a lot of you all that are on here, you normally watch my Facebook Live video as well. But if you want me to recreate those looks and do them on my channel as well, I definitely can do that. Just let me know if you're interested in seeing these. But this was a look inspired by James Charles, Sister James, honey. So if you want to see this, definitely let me know and I can recreate it for you. But other than that, I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.